right, guys, now we got past that, that boring stuff. Let's hop right in, and I'm going to share some, CPA networks with you. So where can you actually find CPA offers and CPA stuff? That's on CPA networks. Now, my favorite is obviously Max Bounty. If you've taken any of my other courses on marketing, whether that's affiliate or CPA marketing, you know Max Bounty is one of my favorites. I've been with Max Bounty for a while now. I love them. There's a lot of great offers on there. They pay out really fast, and I love their payment system. And you get an affiliate manager just like any other site, obviously, but they're very friendly, very engaging, but it can be slightly tough to get accepted. So with that being said, I'm actually going to link in this lecture. It'll be linked in this lecture, and there will be a actual document attached to this lecture for the people that can't usually click on it. I'll attach a Max Bounty invite code. Now you can apply to Max Bounty through that code or through that link. Sorry. And what that basically does is just pays me a commission of, any future money that you might make. Now, if you do make money, it doesn't take, that pays me the commission and you make money off that, it doesn't take any money away from you. So let's say you earn like 500 in your first week or something like that. Just random numbers spitting out. It doesn't take a certain percentage of that and give it to me. What it does, you keep that for all the money that you earn, but what it does is it takes a percentage of what you earn and also pays it to me. So you don't get any money lost, but I do get money gained. So, it's not going to be a lot for me necessarily because it's a small percentage. If 100 or, a couple hundred people click the link and they get accepted and they start earning money, then it'll start to add up. So I'd really appreciate it if you clicked that link and went through it. That'd be awesome. But if not, hey, whatever. It's up to you. But with that being said, and I'm actually going to be adding a bonus lecture at the end of this because in some of my other ones, some people had trouble getting accepted in Max Bounty. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you now there's literally a million. You can just simply Google best CPA networks or CPA network and you'll see a million pop up. I'm going to give you 4 others besides Max Bounty that I trust and believe in, that I've used myself, that are great. Now these are 4 that I recommend, but like I said, there are a million. So PeerFly is a great one. You can apply to PeerFly. They're not very strict relating to Max Bounty. Max Bounty's slightly stricter as long as you say the right things. And like I said, that'll be probably most likely the last lecture of this course in the bonus lectures. And if you don't know what bonus lectures are after the course ends. So the last lecture is always the bonus lecture. And what that is it's basically a document that has a bunch of clickable links where I can promote some of my stuff. Now, when I say bonus lectures, I'm mostly talking about that last link or that last document that's the bonus lecture. But in this case, I'm referring to additional lectures that I'm actually adding on with video content like this. So just to clarify, I hope that makes sense. But PeerFly is a great one. You can apply to PeerFly and they'll hopefully accept you. I haven't had too many students have trouble getting accepted to PeerFly. W4 is another great one. ClickBooth is another great one. And so is OfferVault. Now that's 4 other ones, and I'll link all those in a document attached to this lecture too, and I'll link it in this lecture. In case you can't click this lecture, you can click the link or the document attached to the lecture with the links. All 4 of those will be linked in that document for you to check and apply, along with my Max Bounty commission invite. So it'll be the Max Bounty first and foremost, and then those 4 other ones that I recommend. Now you can join all 5 of them if you want. You can join 20 of them if you want. And really, when you get into the heart and strategy of this, you can combine offers from multiple networks, and it will definitely exponentially increase your earning potential. But my favorite is obviously Max Bounty, so we're going to use that for this course. But I just wanted to kind of talk to you guys about where you can find CPA offers, how you can get them, and the best sites and networks for you to do that. So with that being said, I'm going to end this lecture right here, and then we're going to hop right in. We'll start finding a CPA offer, and then we'll get into the strategy completely.